the mindsets and strategies of a world-class entrepreneur. I'll also be sharing with you 4 secrets to success, and we will also look at the importance of building a rock solid foundation. Right? We will also be looking at what are the top skills you must acquire as an entrepreneur in current timelines. Right? All set to begin? Let's begin this journey of your business transformation, digital. Right? So, I want to share with you the story of a bamboo tree. Okay, this is a very powerful story. It transformed my life completely. Right. So this is all about building a rock solid foundation and why a rock solid foundation is necessary. And we will also be looking at the 5 key elements of building a rock solid foundation. So this bamboo tree, it's a very, very, very important concept in my life, and I would like to share with all of you. So nature teaches us a lot. One of my friends, she's a gardener and she loves growing plants, and I was not very fond of gardening. She just wanted me to experiment, and she said, why don't you plant 2 trees? I'll give you 1 spinach seeds and I'll also give you bamboo seeds. So she gave me these 2 seeds, and I just provided the right kind of environment, nurturing with water, fertile soil, and enough sunlight to make sure that the seeds sprout and grow. Within 2 months, I had the spinach seeds fully grown and got nice spinach, very fresh spinach. And within 2 months, I got 3 eels of spinach. And nothing seemed to happen on the bamboo seeds that I had planted. My friend said, just continue to water and just make sure that you're nurturing the seeds, and it will sprout. It will take its own time. So I continued for over a year and nothing happened. And then I felt that probably the plant would have just died, and I just told my friend nothing seems to be happening. She said, just try for some more time. And 1 more year passed, nothing seemed to happen. I think both the bamboo tree and my friend were both testing my patience. In the 3rd year also nothing seemed to happen. This is a special variety of bamboo tree called Chinese bamboos. And my friend wanted me to learn a lesson with this particular bamboo tree. So in the 4th year also nothing seemed to happen. But because I had some other plants alongside the place where I had planted this bamboo tree, I continued to nurture it, though not intentionally. I happened to nurture it. And in the 5th year, I was just taken aback. Within 6 weeks, the bamboo tree grew 80 feet tall. So I just wondered what happened. So here's the lesson that I learned from the bamboo tree. That all this while, when the right kind of environment was provided to the bamboo tree, it was growing its roots underground so that it can carry the weight of the bamboo tree which grows so tall, right? The structural weight of the bamboo tree. So what was going underground was invisible to me. And I was always looking at what was visible on the surface. And nothing was visible on the surface, and I thought nothing is happening. But the tree was growing its root very, very strong underground. Isn't it similar to when we build our homes? We make solid foundation. Why? Because if we want to grow more, have more floors, it is easy to accommodate that, right? So is the foundation visible? Even there are so tall buildings that stand, right? But we just see what is visible, and most of us cannot see the invisible. So unless the foundations are strong, which is invisible, which is below the surface, neither a building can stand tall nor a bamboo tree can grow tall. So for growth, it is very important that we have a rock solid foundation. So the bamboo tree taught me a lesson that growth and success requires rock solid foundation. Do you agree with this? And one more lesson I learned from the bamboo tree, that growth also requires consistent effort. What if I would have not watered the plant? What if I would have stopped taking care of the plant? Would it possible for it to grow to its full strength? I mean, grow so tall? Maybe I would have just killed it by not taking care of it. So growth requires a solid foundation, and growth requires consistent effort. So do we now understand the need for building a rock solid foundation?